Welcome, listeners, to the Web Wealth Warriors podcast. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey as we delve into the captivating world of TikTok and explore the step-by-step guide to achieving TikTok fame and securing a fortune in just 30 days. In this episode, we'll unravel the secrets and strategies that can propel you to the pinnacle of TikTok success. So, grab your headphones and get ready for an exciting ride. Day 1. Understanding the TikTok universe. To navigate the realm of TikTok successfully, it is crucial to understand its foundations. On the first day, we dive into the history, purpose, and unique features of TikTok. We explore the intricate workings of the TikTok algorithm, the significance of trends, hashtags, and challenges, and the different content formats that drive engagement. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of TikTok's ecosystem, you'll be primed to make informed decisions throughout your journey. Day 2. Crafting a captivating profile. Your TikTok profile acts as your digital calling card, enticing potential followers to explore your content. On Day 2, we delve into the art of crafting an irresistible profile. We discuss the importance of selecting an eye-catching profile picture, writing an engaging bio that showcases your personality, and optimizing your settings for maximum visibility. Additionally, we'll explore the strategic utilization of TikTok's unique features, such as the link in bio option, to drive traffic to external platforms and expand your reach. Day 3. Discovering your unique niche. Finding your niche is pivotal to carving out a space on TikTok and standing out from the crowd. On Day 3, we embark on a journey of self-discovery to identify your passions, talents, and areas of expertise. We'll guide you through the process of selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and resonates with your target audience. By understanding your unique value proposition, you'll be able to create content that captures attention and fosters a loyal following. Day 4. Crafting compelling content. Content creation lies at the heart of TikTok fame. On Day 4, we explore the art of crafting compelling and shareable content that leaves a lasting impact on viewers. We delve into the power of storytelling, the role of aesthetics and editing techniques, and the science behind optimizing your videos for maximum engagement. From creating viral challenges to incorporating creative transitions, you'll gain the tools and techniques to produce content that captivates audiences and sparks conversations. Day 5. Riding the wave of TikTok trends. Trends have the power to propel your content to new heights on TikTok. On Day 5, we unlock the secrets of riding the wave of TikTok trends. We'll explore strategies for identifying and participating in trending content effectively. We'll guide you through analyzing trends, adapting them to your niche, and infusing your unique twist to ensure your content stands out in a saturated market. By harnessing the power of trends, you'll maximize your visibility and attract a broader audience. Day 6. The power of hashtags and challenges. Hashtags and challenges are integral to TikTok's viral ecosystem. On Day 6, we uncover the power of leveraging hashtags strategically to increase the discoverability of your content. We explore trending hashtag landscapes, share best practices for creating your own challenges, and discuss the immense potential of collaboration to expand your reach and network within the TikTok community. By harnessing the power of hashtags and challenges, you'll amplify your content's impact and attract a devoted following. Day 7. Building an engaged audience. Building and engaging an audience is the cornerstone of TikTok fame. On Day 7, we delve into strategies for attracting and nurturing a dedicated follower base. We explore the importance of consistency, active engagement with your community, and fostering meaningful connections. Additionally, we'll provide tips on responding to comments, hosting engaging live streams, and utilizing TikTok's duet and stitch features to collaborate with other creators. By building a strong community, you'll foster a loyal following that supports and shares your content. Day 8. Monetizing your TikTok fame. TikTok fame opens doors to various monetization opportunities. On Day 8, we explore different avenues to capitalize on your TikTok success. We discuss brand partnerships, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and the potential of joining TikTok's Creator Fund. Furthermore, we provide insights on building your personal brand beyond TikTok, expanding into other social media platforms, and exploring merchandise and product collaborations. By strategically monetizing your TikTok fame, you can turn your passion into a lucrative business venture. Day 9. Navigating challenges and staying relevant. TikTok's landscape is ever-evolving, and staying relevant is crucial for long-term success. On Day 9, we address the challenges that come with being a TikTok influencer and provide strategies to navigate algorithm changes, platform updates, and potential controversies. We explore ways to evolve your content, Collaborate with other influencers, and reinvent yourself while staying true to your brand. By adapting to changes and staying ahead of the curve, you'll maintain your relevance and thrive in the dynamic TikTok environment. Congratulations! You have completed the 30-day journey to TikTok fame. By following this step-by-step guide, you've gained the knowledge and strategies needed to captivate audiences, build a loyal following, and unlock the potential for financial success. Remember, TikTok fame is not an overnight achievement, but with dedication, creativity, and perseverance, you can transform your TikTok dreams into a reality. Embrace the unique possibilities that TikTok offers, stay true to your voice, and let your creativity shine. Unleash your TikTok fame and embark on a thrilling adventure that could change your life forever. Attention TikTok enthusiasts and aspiring stars. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to TikTok fame and fortune? Introducing 30 Days to TikTok Fame, a step-by-step guide to captivating audiences and securing fortune. This comprehensive ebook is your ultimate roadmap to skyrocketing your TikTok presence, captivating audiences, and harnessing the power of this incredible platform to secure the fame and fortune you've always dreamed of. Inside this power-packed guide, you'll discover a treasure trove of proven strategies, expert tips, and insider secrets that will set you on the path to TikTok stardom. Whether you're a newbie seeking to make your mark or an experienced TikTok creator looking to take your content to the next level, this ebook is your ultimate companion. The time is now to seize your TikTok dreams and make them a reality. With 30 Days to TikTok Fame as your trusted guide, you'll have the knowledge, tools, and roadmap to captivate audiences, build a loyal fan base, and secure the fame and fortune you deserve. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start your journey to TikTok stardom today. Click the link below to get your hands on 30 Days to TikTok Fame, a step-by-step guide to captivating audiences and securing fortune. And get ready to unleash your TikTok superstar potential. Are you ready to shine bright and become the next TikTok sensation? The fame and fortune you've always dreamed of are just a click away. Get your copy now and let the TikTok journey begin. Order your copy now from KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK, Google Play Books or Apple Books and take the first step towards a better life today. The link to the ebook can be found in the description section below. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and feel free to reach out to us with any feedback or suggestions. Our mission is to empower individuals with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed in all aspects of life. We wish you the best of luck on your journey towards success and fulfillment. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net